In this video, we are going to configure the static IP on the Fedora latest version, that is the 43. So first you can click on this icon, network icon, and here you can see all the network interface. In my case, I choose the first interface for the network connection, like DSCP. So through that I'm getting internet IP address and I'm browsing, getting internet connection. But I'm going to configure the second interface as the static IP so that remotely I can connect to this machine using SSH. Okay, so first uh, you can configure this second interface. Click on this icon, then click on the configure. Then we are going to configure the IPv4 address. So let this page opened, and after that you can see it is showing like my first interface is already connected, that is connected, that is the DSCP one, and the second interface I am going to configure, that is the this one. You can configure this IPv4. So click on IPv4, then instead of selecting automatic you can select manual, and you can scroll here, all the details are there. Okay, so after that you can put all the details like what are the address we are going to set for this interface. Click on add, and here you can put the address. So in my environment, I'm going to configure like 192.168.56. That suppose I'm going to put like 213, and the net max is automatically selected. You can see 255. Then last one is the 0, and I think this much is enough. And after that, no need to configure the DNS because the first interface we are getting the internet connection. So click on apply. So let me check this interface whether it is assigned the second interface IP address or not. So click on this open terminal, and where from the command prompt we can check this one. First I go to switch to root user, otherwise you can check from the normal user also, no issue at all. So I switch to root user, and here I can check IPA command. You can see the second interface is like enp0s8, and one IP address is assigned, whatever we assigned in the graphical user interface, same thing, like the last octant is like 213. So from the remote like SSH client like PuTTY, we can connect to this machine. So let me try to connect. Before that, we need to configure the SSH thing. So for that, we need to go to this file and look for PermitRootLogin. Yeah, this line you can copy and you can edit. Put it as yes, and the rest of the thing you can delete also. PermitRootLogin, yes. Then we need to restart this service. Systemctl restart sshd.service, I think. Yeah, done. So let me log in from this remote client. Put the IP address and the root, then click on open. It is asked to accept this one. Yes, accept. So you can put the root password here. You can try it. Yeah, so we need to perform one additional command there. You can see I set this password here to password root, because by default is not created. Then you can set the password, then we can log in through root account. Okay, so you can perform all the operation here manually, I mean from the SSH client. Yeah, I'm going to install the full screen mode using VBox guest addition. I think we covered that on the previous video also. Like Rocky Linux, so the same thing you can use because they are based on RHL. So I think that's it.